Today we're going to talk about the TAP Monitor standalone digital pyrometer. This is a small but mighty device, great for keeping track of the temperature inside any kiln or oven. The great thing about this is it doesn't matter what controller you have or don't have, you can use this to monitor temperatures, and you can integrate seamlessly with the TAP Kiln Control Mobile app. So the temperature readings that you see on the TAP Monitor standalone, you can also see on your phone or tablet from anywhere. Installation is super easy. And to show you how today, thermocouple jack plugs into the side of the TAP Monitor standalone. USB power comes in the other side. And with those two connections, we have the TAP Monitor standalone up and running. And once we get past the splash screen, we'll see that the temperature inside the kiln is displayed here, and that data is now going through to TAP Kiln Control Mobile. Visit kilncontrol.com to learn about our products and shop for the TAP Monitor standalone.